Freshchat Chatbot Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to our Freshchat Chatbot Review. In this video, we'll break down Freshchat's features, who it's designed for, and what makes it a standout option in customer communication. For more details or to explore this product, check the links in the description. Freshchat, part of the Freshworks suite, is a modern chatbot and messaging solution built for businesses aiming to streamline customer support and enhance engagement. It's particularly suited for small to mid-sized businesses and enterprises, looking to offer personalized customer experiences without adding heavy operational overhead. One of Freshchat's strongest features is its AI-powered chatbot capability, which can handle common queries, reduce response times, and ensure customers get instant answers. The chatbot integrates seamlessly with multiple platforms, including your website, mobile app, and even popular channels like WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and Apple Business Chat. This multi-channel approach ensures your customers can connect with your brand wherever they prefer. Freshchat's intuitive dashboard allows teams to monitor conversations, manage queries, and even jump in when needed for live assistance. The AI behind the chatbot learns over time, improving its accuracy in addressing customer issues, which leads to fewer escalations to human agents. For businesses that deal with high volumes of repetitive inquiries, this can be a game changer. The platform also offers proactive engagement tools, such as targeted messaging and triggered campaigns based on user behavior. This is particularly useful for boosting customer retention or converting leads into paying customers. Advanced features like conversation routing and sentiment analysis further enhance the platform's functionality, ensuring every interaction feels relevant and timely. One notable highlight is its integration capabilities. Freshchat works effortlessly with popular CRM tools like Freshsales and Salesforce, as well as support platforms like Zendesk, giving businesses a holistic view of customer interactions. The pricing is also flexible, with plans catering to businesses of varying sizes and needs. Freshchat is ideal for teams looking to balance automation with human support, improve efficiency, and deliver seamless customer experiences. Its scalable features make it suitable for startups and established enterprises alike. If you're considering Freshchat, explore the links in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.